Okay, so today I went to get my second 2 Lion steam iron. So this is called a 2 Lion steam iron. So now, if you recall, I have made a video before on how to install this steam iron. Now, the reason I am making this video again is to show you the price difference or the change. So here I bought the iron for 65,000 naira, and I bought a Teflon cover for 5,000 naira. A total of 70,000 naira went for the iron, because last time when I came here, I bought this iron for 45,000 naira. Now, I also bought hanger. If you can see the next price I have here, a set of hanger, 5 piece of it is for 10,000 naira. So I've already paid a total of 80,000 naira. Just went down only on steam iron um, and hanger, right? So the reason I'm showing you all of these things is for you to know the prices as of today, being the second day of September 2025, right? So we are here trying to show you the current prices. So now when we, this is the packaging, how it's used to be packaged for you. So I've taken it home to install, and I am trying to as well, show you a little bit of the little differences I noticed. Now, this one came with this hold beneath, whereas the previous one I bought did not come with that. And I feel the iron is more solid now. I feel there is a lot of improvements in the strongness of it. This is the manual. So if you're first time of buying this iron, I would recommend and suggest you kindly read through the manual so that you understand how the thing works. So I have made previous videos before, so I will not bug you with details of how to install all of this. I will just drop the link somewhere around this video. You can click on the link and watch how to install this video, how to set the steam and everything, which I have done in my previous video. This is just kind of a review of the price difference and little few things I will add. So if you're a designer, I will recommend and suggest you endeavor to procure this iron. This iron is very, very good. For me to go to get a second one, that shows that it is very, very good. It helps in your finishing, right? Though it's not what makes your job neat, but it helps to make your job neat. So you must make sure you have learned the job perfectly well, then endeavor to get the second steam iron. It will really help you, even if it's one, right? But I bought two because I have workers that work for me. So I decided to leave one for them, then use this one for my personal drafting, illustrations, online teachings, and physical teachings, so that iron will not be a hindrance in my quest for being perfect or being fast. So I am trying to install all of these, and you know how it goes. So the pricing is actually exorbitant right now, but it's still worth it. If you even have money, I would even suggest to buy two now. Like if you have money, just buy two now and keep, because obviously the prices will increase tomorrow. Funny enough, nothing in Nigeria comes down. The prices keep on skyrocketing. So how long will you wait until you buy? Are you going to buy this iron when it gets to 100,000 naira? I am from the look of things in Nigeria, this iron is projected to be up to 100,000 in the next 1 year plus from today's date, if the economy of Nigeria is not being taken proper care of. These things before were sold at a cheap rate, but now they are so exorbitant. So, the installations of these things have been made in my previous video, so you can do well to watch them. Don't forget to also ask your questions. And then if you happen to come across this video at any point in time, kindly comment and tell me the price you bought yours. So leave a price stamp, right? Leave a price stamp in this so that I will know how much you bought yours if you are watching this video as of today, being the 9th of September, the 2nd of September 2025, right? So make sure you leave a timestamp on this video. When you watch it, tell me the price you got yours, and I will be glad to read from you all. So that's all I want to show you. Thanks for watching. I will now start my usage, the normal way, turn it on, allow it to steam for allow it to get hot for a while, and then start the usage immediately. So this is just how it is being used, right? So I have hung my tank somewhere here, connected sockets near the iron tank so that everything will be one direction. Then tune this to give you some space or make the water flow very well so that the water will not be stuck somewhere. And that's all I want to show you. Keep watching to the rest of the video.
I grab my sketch and make the line. Patterns flow like vintage wine. Dress in colors bold, refined. With fashion art I'm intertwined. From the canvas to the screen, styling dreams like you've never seen. Textures blend in harmony, creating fashion symphony. Hey there, folks, don't be shy. Hit that like, subscribe, apply. Comment down if you feel fly. Mr. Redefined is standing by. Outfits popping in daylight, mixing shades to feel just right. Drawing styles that take their flight. Fashion spark ignites the night. Threads of inspiration spin. Come on in, let's just begin. Every clip a world within. Join the flare under my skin.